It is said that life is a gift from God. Our beloved Jolita is turning 88, and we're thrilled to mark this special milestone with love, laughter, and cherished memories.
She really is a wonderful mother and a grandmother to our family. To God be the glory that her life really is kanang nag-shine para sa mo ang malipay mi nga makita namo siya.
Salamat kas Ginoo nga niabot ko ini mga tuiga. Nya makaalagad ko sa akong bana.
This is the good life. Take my hand, let's run. As golden light spills across the sky. Feel your heartbeat, feel the rush. As the future opens wide before our eyes.
Hinaot ko nga nagmalipayon kasi mong adlaw na tawhan karon. O ang Ginoo magauban kanimo sa kanunay o magaprotektar kanimo sa kanunay.
This is the good life. This is the good life. You and I, chasing the light. There's nothing better. This is the good life. This is the good life. This is the good life.
Ang Ginoo mag-uban kanako kanunay kanamong duha. Nana nya kanang pagbalkagan bantayan tas Ginoo. Atagan pag may panglawas. Nana ba? Ganay akong pray sa iya.
Through the night, let's keep dreaming. And when you need a spark, lean on me, I'll lean on you. This is our time.
Belated happy birthday, ma. Unta padayon ang imong pagka sinahan. Salamat kay ma sa imong pagpangga sa imong mga anak.
This is the good life. This is the good life.
Sa kanunay unta nga tagaan patagtaas mga kinabuhi si mama. Isang pa sa iyahang pag-atiman na mo, isang badlungon may kayo, iya kami gipadako. Happy birthday, Mama!
This is the good life. You and I, chasing the light. There's nothing. This is the good life. This is the good life. This is the good life.